Heraclitus, a pre-Socratic philosopher of ancient Greece, is renowned for his profound contributions to the understanding of the nature of reality and change. Born in Ephesus around 535 BCE, Heraclitus lived during a time when Greek thinkers were exploring fundamental questions about existence and the cosmos, often referred to as the Philosopher of Flux. Heraclitus is best known for his doctrine that everything flows or panterai in Greek. This concept encapsulates his belief in the constant and dynamic nature of the universe, where change is not only inevitable, but also the fundamental essence of reality. Central to Heraclitus's philosophy is the idea of the unity of opposites. He argued that contradictory elements are interconnected and dependent on each other for existence. This notion is encapsulated in his famous saying, "Strife is justice," emphasizing the essential role of conflict and tension in maintaining balance and order in the world. Heraclitus's emphasis on change and the interplay of opposites challenged prevailing views of a static and unchanging reality, paving the way for a more dynamic and fluid understanding of the cosmos. In addition to his metaphysical insights, Heraclitus delved into the nature of the human soul, asserting that character shapes destiny. He believed that individuals are responsible for their own fates, and that the pursuit of self-knowledge is crucial for a meaningful life. Despite the profound influence of his ideas, Heraclitus's writings have not survived in their entirety. His thoughts are primarily known through fragments and references found in the works of later philosophers, contributing to the enigmatic and elusive nature of his philosophy. Nevertheless, Heraclitus remains a key figure in the history of philosophy, challenging conventional wisdom and laying the groundwork for future generations of thinkers. Before going to his quotes, if you're enjoying what you're watching, consider subscribing to our channel. It really helps us out and ensures you won't miss any of our future content. Just hit that subscribe button below. And while you're at it, don't forget to click the notification bell so you're always in the loop. Thanks a bunch for being part of our community. And now, back to the video. The only constant is change. Character is destiny. You could not step twice into the same rivers. Strife is justice. War is the father of all things. The world is an ever-living fire. Nature loves to hide, listening not to me but to the logos. It is wise to agree that all things are one. We both step and do not step in the same rivers. We are and are not. The soul is dyed the color of its thoughts. Opposition brings concord. Those who seek for gold dig up much earth and find little. The sun is new every day. You will not find limits of the soul, although you search every way. So deep is the logos. Eyes are more accurate witnesses than ears. Nature is wont to hide herself. Time is a game played beautifully by children. All entities come to be in accordance with this logos. We are most nearly ourselves when we achieve the seriousness of the child at play. To do the same things and expect different results is insanity. Hidden connections are stronger than obvious ones. Wisdom insists in speaking and acting the truth. Everything flows and nothing stays. The wise man is one who knows the road, can see it, and follows it. The best people renounce all for one goal, the eternal fame of mortals. But most people stuff themselves like cattle. Much learning does not teach understanding. People ought to fight to keep their law as to defend the city's walls. A man's character is his fate. If you do not expect the unexpected, you will not find it, for it is hard to be sought out and difficult. Those who love wisdom must investigate many things. One thing is wisdom, to know the thought by which all things are steered through all things. He who does not expect will not find out the unexpected, for it is trackless and unexplored. The way up and the way down is one and the same. Many fail to grasp what they have seen, and cannot judge what they have learned, although they tell themselves they know. Much learning does not teach understanding. The people should fight for their law as for their city wall. No one that encounters prosperity does not also encounter danger. Character is for man his guardian divinity. Abundance of knowledge does not teach men to be wise. Hiding is revealed through the hidden. The most beautiful arrangement is a pile of things poured out at random. To God all things are beautiful and good and right. The beginning and end are common. A man when he is drunk is led around by a beardless boy, stumbling, not knowing where he is going, having a wet soul. It is hard to fight with one's heart's desire. Whatever it wishes to get, it purchases at the cost of soul. If you follow men and not things, how can you gain knowledge? Everything has its season, and the main thing is to know how to take advantage of it. The limits of the soul you won't find even if you travel every path, so deep as its logos. The most beautiful order is a heap of sweepings piled up at random. The eyes are more exact witnesses than the ears.